One day back in 2015, we all witnessed the launching of one of the biggest print-on-demand platform on the internet, Merch by Amazon. Merch by Amazon was first introduced as a platform to help influencers with their merch products, as t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, etc. And that was the main reason behind making Merch by Amazon requiring its new users to go through an approval process, just to ensure the platform is accessible to those who have an audience. And the idea behind how it works was pretty simple. The seller won't need anything other than a PNG file of his design, and Amazon will take part of the revenue and release the seller's profit in the form of a royalty for each sale. And keep in mind that Amazon give the total freedom to each seller to determine his suitable price of his products. And that's pretty much it. Everything is handled by Amazon. And of course displaying your product on Amazon with zero upfront fees. And back then, that was fascinating. The ability of managing a whole apparel business without a single dollar was pretty new to the internet. But till that moment, Merch by Amazon was unknown to most of people. Till the big hit came in. Shane Dawson released his first Merch by Amazon piece, the famous pig merch. Shane has sold over 25,000 of this merch since it was released. And with $5 average profit margin per each single sale, we can assume he acquired a profit of average $125,000 just through this shirt alone. And if you look a little bit further, you'll realize that Shane has over 10 to 15 designs published. Each design is attached to multiple products as shirts, hoodies, etc. All of them combined have released him a profit over $1 million. From here on, the rocket has launched, according to Google Trends chart. The interest in Merch by Amazon rose from interest level of 9 in May 2016 up to level of 53 in December 2016. In just 7 months the interest doubled over 5 times. And the game was just starting, following Shane Dawson's footsteps. Other international companies have joined the game, like Disney and Marvel. Even Hollywood reserved their piece of the cake, and some actors and singers decided to join the game, like Katy Perry, who published over 50 products on Merch by Amazon. All of that may sound to you as if it's only reserved to influencers and famous entities, which is totally incorrect. I've personally witnessed merch accounts that took off up to $200,000 in profit within their first year of publishing. Especially when Amazon started releasing new types of products available to use in Merch by Amazon, like their late 2018 update when they released the pop sockets, allowing Merch by Amazon sellers to publish designs on mobile pop sockets, which results in giving them more sales and of course more profits on the long run. Following on, Merch updated their available products on late 2019 with additional mobile covers, allowing their sellers to publish design on both Samsung phones covers and iPhones covers. And during mid-2020, they've added throw pillows and tote bags, giving us a total of 14 products available to print on. On a side note, some rumors assume that during 2021, additional products will be listed, which is a printable mug, and all-over print shirts and hoodies, but so far that is not guaranteed as we don't have official statements from Amazon. So yeah, that was all for Merch by Amazon introduction. In the next videos, we'll be getting into more details about how the process of selling through Merch by Amazon goes. Till then, stay safe.